Hello, welcome to the channel. In today's video, you will learn coronavirus related words. There are virus, bacteria, coronavirus, viral load, symptom, asymptomatic, and screening. My name is Sasha and I've been working as a Chinese teacher for more than 5 years. If you follow my steps, I'm sure you will be able to say these words after this lesson. Wonder how that works? Now let's get started. Okay, the first word is a virus. Similar with bacteria, but they're different. So virus in Chinese is 病毒 b 音 病 的 u 毒 病毒 Get it? And bacteria is 细菌细菌菌细菌 And coronavirus 新冠病毒新冠病毒 And the viral load. Load here is 量 量 Viral load 病毒量 Alright, now let's skip to symptom. Symptom in Chinese, 2 words. 症状 zhi en 症 zhi u en 状 症状 Get it? And asymptomatic is opposite meaning. So in Chinese it is 无症状的 无 means no. So 无症状的 So make a short phrase with symptom. Has symptom 有症状 Have no symptom 没有症状 Okay. He has symptom 他有症状 He has no symptom 他没有症状 And also you can say he is asymptomatic. It is 他是无症状的他是无症状的 Did you get that? And finally, screening. The process of screening in Chinese is 2 words. 筛查筛 sh I 筛查 ch a 查 Together 筛查 Screening 筛查 Alright, hope you'll find this very simple to follow. If you can't do it at once, you can come back to the first of the video and watch it again. Just quick review of what we have learned in this lesson. Virus, 病毒 bacteria, 细菌 coronavirus, 新冠病毒 viral load, 病毒量 symptom, 症状 asymptomatic, 无症状的 screening, 筛查 Hope you will find this lesson useful for your vocabulary. If you like my video, please like and subscribe and make a comment. I'll see you in the next video. See you.